Can you crack this code? Hello everyone, welcome to Maths. Today we are solving 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 3 in parentheses. At a glance, you will be tempted to subtract this 3 from this 6, and that will give us 3 times 3 minus 6, that will give us 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. This is a wrong answer. This is where order of operation comes in, called PEMDAS or BODMAS, depending on your country. Using PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses. Is the highest order, the first in the order of operation, followed by the exponent, which is E. Exponent is something like 2 square, followed by multiplication and division. You work from left to right. Finally, the last order of operation here is addition and subtraction. You work from left to right. Now, the first is parentheses. So let's work the one here. 6 minus 3 will give us 3. So we bring down this 6 minus this 3 times the 3 we get here. Next is multiplication. 3 times 3 will give us 9. So we have 6 minus 9. And finally, 6 minus 9 will give us minus 3. This is the correct answer. Please subscribe.